If you are using Firebase for your backend, you can connect it to Antigravity and manage your data right inside the editor. Once you link your project, you can read and write to Firestore, handle authentication, and generate backend code without switching tabs. So in this video, I want to show you how you can connect Firebase to Antigravity, and it's really simple. Firstly, you want to open your Antigravity and you want to open this agent. So if you don't see the agent, just click on this icon and we want to navigate to MCP servers. So here in this field, you have to type for Firebase and you want to click on it. And here you will probably see something like install. So just want to click on install and then you will see it's enabled. So it's going to install. And once you install this, you can see the tools here and you can manage all of the tools. So those are basically like permissions. So you can see that you can, for example, deploy. You can create new apps, new project with this. So what we can do, we can go back to agent and we can type something like, what projects do I have on Firebase? And I can show you I have only one project, which is called Coffee Spark AI Barista. So we can see if the Antigravity is going to find this. And if you get this issue where it says you have to log in with your account, it means you still need to authorize your account. The MCP could be installed, but we have to log in with our account. So I can click on this Firebase login and it should redirect you to the page where you have to log in with your Google account. After that, you can click on allow. And after this, it's going to ask you for running this command in your terminal. So after you run the command, it's going to ask you for the authorization code, which we can continue here. And you want to confirm the session ID matches from the terminal you received. My ID matches, so yes, this is my session ID. And now we have to copy this URL and paste it into Antigravity. So I'm going to press enter and success. Now it should be logged into my account. So now we can try it. And you can see it found my project. So you can see my project ID and the hosting site. And this means the Firebase MCP is working in Antigravity and you can use it for reading and writing your data, managing Firestore and controlling your backend. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.